Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And one of our subscriber Khalid Tariq, he requested for the video on Pond USDT pair. So let's go straight to the chart. This is the chart of Pond USDT. I'm gonna go and take a look on the coin market cap Marlin Pond. It's currently ranking 410 with 7,000, almost 18,000 people. Okay, and they have a supply of approximately 736 million. They have a good supply. The volume is good. Currently ranking on Binance. Here you can see here it's ranked, it's listed on Binance. So everything which lists on the Binance is a good coin. So let's jump straight. I'm gonna turn off all these indicators for now. Okay, what do we have here today? I'm gonna go jump onto the monthly chart. Let's find out if we have anything. It was listed on the 1st of March 2021. No, nothing here. Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay, and what do we have here? Let's take a look at the hobby. Let's take how, yeah, I was looking for this one. You see, these are two charts right now. Okay, but one is newer and the other one is older. So you might be wondering why the price came down to this level. You can easily understand by looking it. If you were on the Binance, you would be thinking that this is the bottom, but it wasn't. How you can find out? You just go to the tradingview.com and look for the other exchanges where it was already listed before. So it was listed on the hobby. So you can see its bottom was here, not here, not 0.15, but here it was 0.072. so now we have good data from where we can easily predict the price. So that's a good data. Now I'm gonna start marking the levels. I will try to mark the levels for the short-term analysis because where the price is currently moving. So we have a perfect a spot here. You can see a 1 week from here and 2 weeks from here. So this is a perfect spot. You can see here the price came down, got rejected, then moved up again. The price came down, this candle opened from here, got rejected from here. What happened was, let me show you here. Red candle starts, opens from this area. Okay, it went down, got rejected. Okay, and then the next candle starts from here, went down, got rejected, and then moved up. Okay, make a new swing high here. So this is the current level, guys. This is a very important level. I would mark this one 0.0196 to be the support, to be the resistance level for now, as the price is currently below this level. And mind you, this is on the weekly area. This is a weekly. Okay, this is a weekly zone. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another. Here might be, this one is also a good chart. This one is also, yeah, we see a couple of rejections from here. Although I'm gonna move on to the daily now for the better confirmation. Let's go back to the charts. Here we have, you can see here, if we take a look, this is a swing high candle. I'm gonna mark the levels around this candle. This one is also a good, I would mark one. I'm gonna make it white for the daily, and this one is also a good one. As we can see, one rejection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a good zone. We can tell from this. Okay, so this is a good zone, and let me mark this one as well for the better, for the zone. And what do we have down here? What do we have down here? This is a good swing low candle. I'm gonna mark something here. Okay, this one is a good swing candle here down. If I take a look at this one, we have to look forward just to get the confirmation right now. So you see, if we take a look at here, this candle here, this one swing high candle, you see a lot of areas being, in this area, lot of candles in this area. You can see here we got one rejection candle, 2, 3, okay, and this candle got rejected from this zone. So what I can tell you from this area is also a good zone as well. I'm gonna make it bold. Okay, so right now, if you ask me, this is our first spot, this is our second spot, okay, and these candles here, if we take a look at this area, you see, let me mark the zone here, this one here. This is the swing low candle, but I am taking the body of this candle. You have to draw everything, you have to draw the wicks and you draw the body as well. That's how you can easily mark the levels. For example, let me mark another body zone around here. Now this is a good zone, you can see here, this is a good zone. We got a good levels around this area, and the next area would be, I think, let me go to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at here. What do we have here? We have this area, but I'm not gonna take this area. I'm gonna mark this one, could be our next level, but that's too very close to the previous level. I'm gonna do this area to be more precise, this one. Yeah, why? Because we see a lot of areas, lot of candles getting rejected from this area, so this is a good area of sport as well. So this is on the month 4 hour chart right now. Now what do we have here? If we take a look here, guys, if we take a look, just take a look here, the price came down from this level, okay, and got rejected from this area, and then what happened? Price broke through. You can, if we take a look at this candle, the candle breakout came down, got rejected, which validates that this is a good zone. Then again price came up, tested this level, got rejected, came down, okay. Then when the candle break above this area, it went up, it tested this area, you can call this zone, okay, and then again came down, tested this zone, which validates that this is also good zone. Then again the price came up, and here if you can see, this is the swing low and it tested here. You can see here, this was a swing low and it tested and got rejected from this area. We can mark this one another important zone, this one here, okay. So this is the resistance right now. So the sport zones right now, we have to look for the BTC price as well. It pumped, you see last night it pumped from, you see, 33,000. So if we take a look at here, we have a sport zones around this area. This is the sport zone, you can place your orders inside this area. Let me turn off the magnet tool. Okay, we have a sport zone at this area. The next sport would be around here, and the last one would be this one. So we have a good sport zones here. Now we have to look for these candles. This is on the 4 hour chart, okay guys. So always try to mark this one is a good local resistance, not the tight one, but a local resistance. Now if we take a look at here, you can see here we have a good rejections at this level. So right now, if any candle closes above this area as it is, okay, then we might see a new jump to this level of 0.09, okay. But if in case this candle closes below, then surely we're going down to test this zone, and if it breaks, surely another level, and if it breaks, we can average down. So the stop loss would be this swing low, okay. If you want to do any futures or anything, this is the stop loss, this is the stop loss area. The price is gonna come down to this area, but if it breaks below the previous swing low here, okay, this is the previous swing low, if it breaks below, then this would be the stop loss level, this one. You can place your orders according to these areas, okay. If I go to the EMAs, The EMAs are converging, which means we might be in the consolidation phase around this area, and then from there we can have either on the upward, either in the downward direction. It depends on the price of BTC. So that's it guys, this is the price analysis of Pond USDT pair. Thank you very much.